Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a walkthrough for 3 projects that have one build. So you do this basic build on this project, and then you can use it 3 different ways. So I plan on doing a tutorial. I don't know if I'm going to do it for all 3 or just one. You can comment below and put which one you would like to see. But what I'm using is these Christmas cards, and I've used Christmas cards for December dailies before. So the envelope goes inside the card, and then I add pages and make a little journal out of it. Well, I won these cards last year in a giveaway from Melanie, Crafting Chaos with Melanie. If you don't follow her, I highly recommend it, but I'll put the link to her channel below. I had this whole pack of cards, and she got these off of Amazon. They're super cute. There's like 8 different designs, and they're like vintage style Christmas cards. So anyhow, let's get into the walkthrough. So I wanted to make something with the envelopes and the cards, and some of them I did use paper. So the first thing I did was this. And this one is a journal. So I did go back and add a magnet. So later, and that's why that is torn. I'm going to make it work. I'm going to find my Tim Holtz yellow sticker tape and put that on there. It'll be fine. But so the basic build is just 2 envelopes taped glued together. And then using the card fronts and the card backs to make pieces of the journal. So I did put some paper in here. Where the 2 envelopes meet became the spine. There, I wanted to showcase all the different covers. So here's a journaling card in here with one of the covers. And of course you could decorate this. I didn't go into all that right now. Also, here's another one of the covers right here. Oh, actually this is one of the backs that I use as a journaling card. Correction there. Then I also made this front part a pocket for a journaling card. I didn't put a card in there yet, but I was going to use one of the backs. And then, of course, this is another one of the covers of the cards. And then we have another one right back here. So I used 4 of the cute covers. Or did I use 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. 4 of the cute covers to make this little journal. So next I was like, well, you know, what if I made a like a little cover for some of these little small note pads you get from Dollar Tree. So I did the same build. So this is left blank, so you can like write notes on here if you want to. Here's another little pocket for notes. So, but on the inside, I put one of the cute covers, and then this is your pocket for your notepad. Now, I did cut a slit in it so you could change it out, but you could also just tape it in there. And there's no other pocket in this one. That's just the one pocket in the front, and then your notepad. And then this one, instead of the magnet, I did the tie. So you can tie a pretty little bow. And you could add like a pen holder with a ribbon like on the front here or on the inside. I decided not to go with that, but there's that. And then I have another of the cute little covers on the back. So this one I used 1, 2, 3, 4 of the covers. So I just love the covers, and I thought they were too cute, and I wanted to showcase as many of them as I could. So that makes a great little sturdy things made out of 2 envelopes and 4 of our cards. So that's the second design. So the third design, I thought, you know what? I could make this into a little mini album. So this one, I decided to not only use the gift cards, but I also used some of my 6x8 paper. And I used this pack from Simple Stories right here. And there's lots of brands that make 6x8 paper now. So I just thought that was a good scale for this project. instead of using one of the cards as the cover, I used one of the pieces of paper, and I did put the magnet in again, but this one is for your photos. So here you can put a whole photo. I didn't glue this all the way down in case you want to slide the photo in there. Then here is another pocket where you could put another photo. You open, well, hold on, let me tell you about this one. Then here is, I decided to use one of the covers, and that can be, put a photo on the back of that. Then on the inside, to make it sturdier, I use the backs of the cards to make the background. And then I use the cut-aparts from the paper. And so you would go and you would put your photos on the back. So you have this really cute vintage Christmas look with the photos on the back. And then we have another pocket here for another one of the cute card covers. Slide that in there. You could also put a photo on. And then on the back, I just chose to use one of the backs of the cards just to make it a little sturdier. You could also use one of the covers. So those are my 3 ideas for using this one build. Please comment below which one you would like to see a tutorial on, or if you'd like to see all 3, just let me know. And I hope y'all all had a great Thanksgiving, and I will talk to you later. Bye!